Okay, so hopefully I've managed to join these two together, but something weird happened. So I have now got the piece of tape where I want to stick it. So I'm just going to make sure. I don't know, I set these I do the settings on the video and then it just resets them. It's like the most annoying thing ever. Okay, so this is a little bit higher than I wanted. Okay, so I've got the tape stuck on. Let's have a look. We might be able to cut this down, which we probably will, but for now I'm going to leave it that size. Now we're going to come in. We have already cut this piece for the back, and I chose something that was quite busy and quite bold so that it hides the dirt. I always struggle with I like this as well. I always struggle with white albums because I get them so dirty, and I can clean my cutting mat like a million times. I don't know if anybody else has the same thing, but honestly I can clean my cutting mat so many times and yeah, it still lands up being filthy dirty. I don't know. White and me just don't really go well together, I don't think. Anyhow, I decided that this album had a lot of green, so white was the way to go, because there's loads of greens and teals and stuff. Right, so I've covered that, and then I'm just going to put a few strips . So I've got a few strips of tape, and I'm just hoping the sound records on this, because this app, or this what do you call it? It's not an app. It's a software, some software that I bought. Oh, it keeps updating, and every time it updates, it changes things. So the last thing now that it started changing is to have some speaker that is not the speaker of my laptop. It's like, oh. So then you waste another 3 hours trying to work out why the speakers are not speakering. There's no sound coming out of them. It's like, goodness gracious me. Why can't people just leave the app as it is, or the product, instead of fiddling? So what I am going to do is I'm going to undo this so that I can work on a flattish surface, and I'm going to try and line it up on the other side as well with a see how that goes. It's a little bit off, but hey ho, it's going to be fine. It's handmade. Remember, I always tell you, it's handmade. We wanted absolute perfection. We'd go and buy it from the shop. Not the same, eh? Definitely not the same. I think these mini albums are a labor of love. Not only that, for me it's almost like a savior of my soul. Okay, so we now have the front cover, the back cover. We had to put that in because of the distance. It was too close. This would have continually lifted. And there's my back cover, so that should hide any dirt. And then we have got a nice ribbon, which I'm just going to leave to the side.